LiveSource takes the chaos out of your product launch process. The problem with product launch is that it's full of surprises. It's about that one little thing in your product launch, the unread email, the little white lie from your supplier, or the out-of-date spreadsheet that can take down everything. And with so much critical information buried in emails, spreadsheets, and disconnected systems, there's no way to know where the next surprise is coming from. How can you possibly stay on top of every single detail in this chaos? Missing details lead to issues with suppliers, delayed launch dates, and damage to your brand. Not to mention the low employee morale that results in constant firefighting to solve these issues. LiveSource manages the entire launch process, including supplier risk management, new product launch, and collaborative manufacturing. It's the first end-to-end product launch portal, a single source of truth that ensures all departments and stakeholders are working with the latest, up-to-date information. LiveSource connects your sales, engineering, program management, supplier quality development, purchasing, quality, and logistics and MRP planning departments to your suppliers, managing the launch process from end to end. It replaces the chaos of disconnected point solutions and the resulting emails, spreadsheets, and phone calls, tracking the thousands of detailed changes made throughout launch. LiveSource centralizes, streamlines, and documents your entire process. Automatic alerts let you know when a change has been made or a task needs an immediate response. And robust analytics highlight negative trends that require your attention. There are other products that may cover pieces of what we do, but no other solution supports the entire launch process and data in a single application. Enterprise systems, PLM, QMS, and ERPs only address a segment of the business processes of product launch. They aren't designed to handle the comprehensive data required to manage the end-to-end launch process. LiveSource integrates and bridges the gaps not addressed by those systems. LiveSource is specifically designed for direct materials manufacturing and the needs associated with industry-specific, highly engineered parts. Indirect sourcing solutions just can't handle the complex cost breakdowns or downstream processes that are required for direct. But LiveSource does it for 18,000 manufacturers every day. Whether you are looking to transform your process from the ground up, or create a single source of truth for your existing complex point solutions, LiveSource takes the chaos out of your product launch process. Know what's coming with LiveSource.